The root chakra is at the base of your spine. It's red and it's rotating clockwise. Send your thoughts there. Where you send your thoughts, your energy goes. Focus your thoughts, send them to this part of your body, and imagine that there's a red disc there, and that this disc is just rotating without friction. This is your stability, your security. I release all fear and doubt, embracing my sense of stability and security. Listen to the frequency, feel the vibration. My foundation is strong, allowing me to manifest my desires with ease. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. Beautiful, Heaven. I trust in the flow of life, allowing myself to feel safe and secure. I honor and respect my body as the temple of my soul.